Anything else?
I'd like a vitamin rehydrator, please.
Sure thing.
Can I just say, I'm sorry about Megan.
I don't get why you let her blackmail you. We just ran into each other at the movies. We weren't on a date. Were we?
Thing is, I heard you say that you were going to that movie, so I kind of decided to go too, so that we could see it together. I guess for me, it kind of was a date.
Was? We were?
Fact is, I sort of like you. You know?
That's phenomenal, because I sort of like you too.
You do.
Remember those Valentine's Day flowers someone sent you? Well...
That was you? Well, now I feel bad that I didn't get you a